Homasy Cool Mist Humidifiers 5L for large room. Ultrasonic by Homasy is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Powerful output and all-day mist holding up to 5 liters, 132 gallon, of water. The humidifiers allows up to 40 hours of working time in low mist. With a maximum moisture output of 350 milliliters per hour, covering area to 550 square. The vaporizer will be auto-off with red indicator light on when it run out of water. Whisper quiet and soundly sleeping. The humidifier runs at 25 decibel. The operating noise level is even lower than that of turning the page of a book, without disturbing your study, working or sleeping, away from those nasty noise. 360-degree relieved humidify. The Homasy Ultrasonic Humidify provide cool mist air and remist dry air and reduce cough. With the manufacturer's 360-degree rotating nozzles and fully adjustable mist and steam output knob, providing a fairyland in any size room. Forest-like enjoyment with activated charcoal filter. The Homasy humidifier can filter out impurities in the air to ensure the produced moist is ultra clean. Meanwhile, nano water molecules can penetrate into your skin softly, keeping your skin moist and smooth at all times. You will feel that you are breathing in the forest while this humidifier is working. Just take a deep breath at any time. Multi-scenario using, perfect for children, baby, dorm rooms, living rooms, office, desk, tabletop, nightstand, nursery. Any moisture-loving plants may become more vigorous, and wood floors or furnitures may last longer. The manufacturer's humidifier can also help to prevent wallpaper from cracking and static electricity from building up. Large capacity whisper quiet humidifier. The base made of ABS material can effectively prevent water leakage and non-slip. Backed by 45 days money back and 12-month worry-free warranty.